Hey guys, thanks for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carver and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit is brought to you by Outre. So I'd like to say thank you guys for sending over this unit. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, how you doing? I do hair, beauty, and fashion, mostly hair. So while you're at it, go ahead and click the subscribe button and notification bells so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. Okay, you guys, so today I'll be reviewing Outre's Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig. The name of this unit is MH132. And the color is ginger, and this unit is a 12-inch in length. This unit is so cute, you guys. I just been loving ginger lately. Oh my gosh, you could see that through my last couple of videos. I've been liking ginger, and of course ginger copper. I love that orangey color. This unit is super cute, and I've just been into curls lately. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, with an adjustable strap and an elastic band. This unit has a soft HD transparent lace. It is a 5-inch deep lace parting. There's no plucking required. It also comes with complete sideburns as well. And of course, I did mention the pre-attached elastic band. So it gives you like a fast, easy, effortless glueless install, which I always love about Outre's unit, because I do have a shortcut and I don't have that much hair, so I just need something to help, you know, maintain the wig in one, you know, in one spot. We don't need it to be slipping and sliding all over the place. So I do love their melted hairline, and that's actually one of my favorite collection. This unit is super cute, you guys. I just love the curls. The curls is like super soft. It's not like a tight coil, which I like because it's giving me that loose first lady look. I just love how it looks, and I love how the color is really well blended on this unit. And I do like the I think it's called mulberry, that purplish. It looks like a purple red type of color, like I would say like a cherry cola. So I do like that color. I think that's the unit I'll be getting next, you guys. From a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this unit a 8.5. I really do like this unit. The pros, of course, is the color. I like the curls. I did cut a little bit around the unit just because they had like a few strands that were like longer than the other, because I did finger comb the unit. I didn't comb it with a Y2 comb. I thought about that, but I felt like it was going to be too poofy, so I just did it with my fingers, and I pulled what I needed to pull just to make it look fluffy and full. I did use mousse as well, just to tame some of the frizziness that I've seen that you may not see on camera. But overall, those are the pros. And the cons, I don't think there's really a con about this unit. Of course, it's synthetic, so I did have a few snags here and there, but other than that, I really like this unit. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this review, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share, and be sure to be checking the description box down below. Everything will be listed down below. If you like this review, make sure you tell me what you think about this unit in the comment section, and tell me what color would you guys be purchasing if you guys want to get this unit. Just make sure that you're checking everything. And thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.